This helicopter is adding lime to a lake in Norway. This is to neutralize the waters in the lake, which have become too acidic for fish to live in. In the 1970s, the numbers of fish caught in rivers and lakes in southern Norway started to decrease. Norwegian scientists noticed that these lakes and rivers were much more acidic than those in other parts of the country that still had healthy fish. Trees in the area were also being damaged. The scientists looked at weather patterns and noticed that the winds blowing over these areas had passed over Western and Central Europe. They said that pollution from factories and power stations in these parts of Europe were being carried in the atmosphere and was making the rainfall acidic. This acidic rain was killing the fish. Similar problems were being found in lakes in Canada, caused by pollution from factories in the USA. Scientists and politicians in other countries suggested other possible causes for the acidified lakes and rivers. In the 1980s, a research program was carried out into the problem. This confirmed that pollution was responsible for the acidic lakes and the deaths of the organisms living in these lakes. Rainwater is naturally slightly acidic because carbon dioxide and other acidic gases in the air dissolve in it. Acid rain is rain that is more acidic than normal and has a pH lower than 5.2. Hydrocarbon fuels, such as petrol and coal, do not just contain hydrocarbons, but also impurities like sulfur. When the fuel is burnt, the sulfur reacts with oxygen from the air to form sulfur dioxide gas. This dissolves in rainwater, making it more acidic, lowering the pH. The effects of acid rain include making rivers, lakes, and soils acidic. This harms organisms living there. Damaging trees, speeding up the weathering of buildings made of limestone or marble, and the corrosion of metal. The problem of acid rain in Europe and North America is being solved by reducing the amount of sulfur in petrol, diesel, and fuel oil and removing acidic gases from power station emissions. However, it is still a problem in other parts of the world where industries are still developing.